be showing you every working code in Build a Boat for Treasure. So the first code is equal D. Where is it? Equal D. The next one is equal P. Right, this is how you spell it. Then the next one is high. Okay, so then the next one is, the next one is Squid Army. Okay, so this is what you'll get. Just 22 of those blocks. Okay, so this code, this Chill Thrill 709 was here. So you get one of these fireworks. And okay, so that's the next code is, so I'm going to be showing you every code. And also I'm on an account that I just started a new account, so I'll know if they've been taken out or not. So the next one is a lurking code. Okay, so you spell it like this. Then you get 10 balloons, 5 fireworks, 1 portal, and that's it. And then the next code is big, BIG space F00 T PRINT. So big footprint, but with the O's for the foot is zeros. So you will get 10 balloons, 5 cakes, 25 red glowing blocks, and that's it. Okay, so the next code will be the Sasquatch. Oh, I spelled it wrong. I spilled out there. Okay, so this will give you, wait, they took it out. Okay, that one, they took it out. You're supposed to get, I think, 10 balloons in. I forgot the rest. You're supposed to get a portal from that, definitely. I remember getting a portal on my other account. That's how I got one of my portals. Okay, 2. Okay, so the next one is 2. Capital M, space, members. I don't think this one's working anymore. Here, let me try a capital M. Nope, not that. M. No, it did space. I need to do a capital. I don't think that's gonna work. Nope. And then the next one. Okay, so that was supposed to give you, I think, like, I forgot what it gave you. I think it gave you stuff for a car. Okay, so